So the wiring on this was like really super pain in the butt. They did some weird stuff at the factory. I found a couple of other wiring diagrams, and I don't know why they did it. I guess maybe the direction that the coils face. So I might actually technically have one of these wired backwards as far as like where the coils are at. So like basically this might be the wrong one right here. It might be the inside one instead of the top one. Other than that, I don't think that there's any real issue here. But what I found that they did with the pickups is there's blue and white wires, red and black wires. And they put the red to the ground on one. They put the blue to the ground on the other. They just kind of used a different coil for each one instead of being consistent. I don't know which one of these is red and which one of these is blue. Or, I mean, white or black or whatever the hell. So, anyway, it just doesn't make any sense how they did it like they did it, but they must have had a reason for doing it the way they did it. And I put these in here based on the way they look like they should go. So I think we're good on that, but I'm trying to figure out what I did with the other coil. Hold on. So here's the other coil, and if you look really careful, you can see the blue wire going to the ground. So it's just strange how they did these. I can't even begin to understand it. It just seems really stupid. They made it like they didn't keep it consistent. And their diagram here is kind of contradictory to what I found inside the guitars and other people's pictures. So we got black and white, red and blue, and then, you know, they join them. So on one of them, the black and the white go together, so that's basically taking two coils and putting them together for one and not being split. I'm not a big fan of coil splits. I don't really understand why anybody would want to make things so stupidly complicated, but I guess it's one way of getting different tones. Anyway, it's done. I'm not like super impressed with it. I could put these back in here and probably wouldn't hear a huge difference. These would be good pickups if you just don't have any pickups or you just want a different kind of look. They look kind of neat in there, I guess, but whatever.